What's going on, guys? It's the Big Chief and Mr. Reese. Welcome to my channel. I think you know where you are. You're in Big Chief country. Only the best in outdoor content. If you need help catching the big one or skinning a squirrel, you know where to go. Big Chief Outdoors. Make sure to hit the button, the big red one that says subscribe. Show your support on Instagram and Facebook.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Big Chief Outdoors. Today we're out here at McConnell, like late May. It's May 24th today, fishing the base ponds. See, the water is kind of low. It used to be like right around this area. A couple feet is a big old bullfrogger sitting right there. Yeah. But yeah, we're kind of in a mild drought here in Kansas, and top of this tree right here, dead tree, is a Baltimore Oriole. Just flew in. See him moving around, real pretty. But today's special because first time Gus has come with me on a fishing trip, and you can see he's already staring at the water because this is the first time I think he's seen like a big body of water, right? Not big, but like a little pond. And yeah, he's gonna be helping fish, right? Say yeah. You're gonna help fish? Yeah. So we gotta start him off young. I'm gonna just basically be catching whatever out here, small fish, good fish, it doesn't really matter to me. But basically gonna get him to try and touch some, see how he reacts and what he does with them. But yeah, so stay tuned. Look, it's a little bass. It's your first bass. Take a touch. Let's get the. Look at this, Gus. Hey, look at that. Whoa. Oh, what is that? Yeah, isn't that crazy? That all you gotta say about it? Yeah, look. Gus, there's too much to look at, isn't there? Whoa, that's so cool. No, you don't want to eat it. That's crazy. That's a fin. That's a fin. Yeah, that's so cool. That's pretty crazy. You wanna give him a kiss? Eh. No? Alright, I'll do it. Alright. Thank you, Vass. Alright, that was awesome. See you, buddy. That's a good one. That's not bad at all. Yeah. Look at that one. Yeah, that one's a little bit better. Alright. Came with some grass, didn't it? There we go, right in the corner of the mouth. Right where they're supposed to be hooked. Look. Look. Look at that one. A little bit bigger, isn't it? That's cool, isn't it? That's cool. Yeah, that's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. That's so neat. Here, let's get your picture. Yeah, say goodbye. Say goodbye to the fish. Say thank you. Thank you for biting. Yep. Touch them one more time. There you go. All right. I get him back in the water. Thank you. Alrighty, guys. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Sorry for the lack of content lately. Just life's been getting kind of busy. Trying to do more outdoor fishing stuff here coming up soon for some more content. But appreciate you guys watching. You want to say goodbye? Say bye-bye? Say bye-bye? No? Too many things to look at, right? Alrighty. Thank you guys.